Hello everyone, it's been a long time, but I made a new model made out of paper. His name is Prince. If you wonder where did I learn it from, I got this new book from Barnes and Nobles, and it has all information about trains and everything. And I just saw him right here. Prince. So I tried to make him. So yeah, here's the comparison. Here's the real life one, and here's the picture. This is gonna be a short video, but I didn't put a face on him. I was going to, but I didn't really want to anymore. On the bottom, I just put it an extra chocolate and roll. I don't know how to make the wheels roll, but I tried to copy everything from the picture. And I also made things inside. These are also holo. If you don't know who is he based off of, Duke. He's based on Duke from Thomas. He's based off of this Prince character. I was planning to just make Duke. Instead, I just wanted to make Prince because I'm pretty sure that he would be really a cool one to make. So yeah. And Prince is a really cool thing that I made. I hope that you guys think too, and bye.